Now we will see what will happen if we fold it along the vertical line. Okay, in two equal parts. If we fold it in vertical lines, then what will happen? They will not cover each other. See, you can see this part is left out. Okay, they are not covering each other. Clear? So it means the parallelogram doesn't have any line of symmetry. The parallelogram have zero line of symmetry. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Okay. Now if I take a rhombus, what would happen?
Rhombus is square parallelogram. Right?
Yes, square parallelogram only. See, you could see this is a rhombus. Now see, if I turn along the vertical axis, what will happen? They are exactly covering each other. Okay,
Overlapping.
They are overlapping. They are coinciding. Okay, it means this would be the line of symmetry. This vertical line is a line of symmetry. Now what will happen if I fold it along the horizontal line? If I fold it along the horizontal line, then again they are covering each other. Okay, no part is left out. So it means this is symmetrical about the horizontal line also. So now what would happen if I fold it along the diagonal cross folding? If I do the cross folding, they will not cover each other, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So again the opposite cross folding, they will not cover each other. Okay, they are covering each other only when either in vertical line folding and either in horizontal line folding. Okay, so it means the rhombus is having two line of symmetry. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Rhombus is having two lines of symmetry. Okay, now you could see this one. You could see this one. What is this? How many sides are there? 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a general quadrilateral. Okay, a simple quadrilateral. Now, can you fold it along the horizontal axis so that it would be folded into two equal parts? No. If you fold it in two equal parts along with horizontal axis, they will not cover each other. No. If you fold it in vertical line, again they will not overlap. Okay, so it means a general quadrilateral is also an example of non-symmetrical figure, asymmetrical figure. Okay, here there is no line of symmetry exists. There is zero line of symmetry. This is not a symmetrical figure. Okay, so if I say tell me the example of any shape that is asymmetrical, that is not symmetrical. So you could say a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is asymmetrical. Okay, a general quadrilateral is asymmetrical. It doesn't have any line of symmetry. Okay, similarly, parallelogram, quadrilateral and parallelogram, they both are asymmetrical shapes. Okay, they doesn't have any line of symmetry. Now tell me, in rhombus is a symmetrical or not?
Ma'am, it's symmetrical if
Symmetrical.
you fold.
And how many lines of symmetry does it have?
Ma'am, 2.
Yes.
Ma'am, 2.
Correct. Okay. So we'll do few questions based on the symmetry. Let me to share the screen first. Wait. Oh, what I did? Did I share?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you see this notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. So class 7th, chapter symmetry 14. We were doing this one. We were at.
Ma'am, we can see only WhatsApp.
Okay, okay.
You can see WhatsApp.
Wait. No need to see the WhatsApp. Stop here.
Ma'am, we can see only WhatsApp.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So line of symmetry is clear. And we have seen these few examples. We have considered these examples. Now, and we have seen that a regular polygon. What do you mean by regular polygon? In a regular polygon, the number of side and the line of symmetry, would be equal. Okay. How would you prove it? See, regular polygon is a polygon which is having equal number of sides and equal number of angles. The polygon which is having equal angle and equal sides, that is called a regular polygon. Okay. If I say, tell me this equilateral triangle is a regular polygon or not? Tell me. This equilateral triangle is a regular polygon or not?
No,
Regular polygon are those polygon which is having their sides equal, sides are equal, and all angles are equal. All
ma'am,
sides are equal.
yes, ma'am, it is.
All angles are equal. Okay. So this is the definition of regular polygon. Okay. Polygon. Now this triangle is a polygon. Okay. Now this equilateral triangle is a polygon, regular polygon or not? What is the definition of equilateral triangle? All three sides are equal and all three angles are same. Okay. All sides are equal, all angles are equal. It means this is a regular polygon. Okay. Now tell me, how many number of sides exist? How many number of sides are there in equilateral triangle?
Ma'am, 3.
3. And how many angles are there?
Ma'am, 3 only, ma'am.
3. And now tell me, how many line of symmetry would exist?
Ma'am, 3 only.
3 only. If you fold this triangle along this, you could see they are the mirror image. Okay. If you fold this triangle along this line, you could see they are the mirror image. If you could fold this triangle along this axis, this line, they would be mirror image. The two parts would be mirror image. So there would exist 3 lines of symmetry. Okay. So the regular polygon where the sides and angles are equal, there the number of side would be equal to the number of line of symmetry. Here in equilateral triangle, sides are 3 and line of symmetry is also 3. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what will happen for the square? Now tell me, how many sides are there for the square?
Ma'am, 4.
4 sides are there. Okay. And angle?
Ma'am, 4.
4. And angle value?
Ma'am, 4 only.
No. The angle, what is the value of this angle? They are equal, but it is of how much? 0, 2, 0, 90, 360, 270. It is of how much?
90.
90 degree. All angles are 90 degree. Okay. So sides are equal, angles are equal. It means the square is a regular polygon. And number of sides are 4. Now check that how many lines of symmetry would exist in this square?
Ma'am, 4.
4. 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
4, ma'am.
4. One is horizontal, one is vertical, second is horizontal, third one is along the diagonal. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
The crossed one. Again the opposite cross. Okay. So it would be symmetrical about all these lines. So how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Okay. So number of symmetry, line of symmetry would be 4. Now if I take the example of regular pentagon. Okay. So how would you draw pentagon? See, pentagon will have how many sides?
Ma'am, 5 sides.
5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And regular, it means all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Okay. Now see, tell me, the number of sides are 5. How many line of symmetry? How many line of symmetry would be there? In how
Ma'am,
many
5.
ways you can fold? Yes, you
Ma'am,
can
5.
fold. If you will fold vertical axis, you will get the same part. If you will fold, I did mistake somewhere, right? Yes. This is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not a regular polygon. Let me to draw a regular polygon. Wait. Let me to draw the regular polygon. The regular polygon would be of this much shape.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. This would be the regular polygon. Now see. One line of symmetry would be this one.
Ma'am, 6, ma'am, total.
1, 2, 3. No. This 3 is not correct. 1, 2 I have drawn. 3 would be the horizontal line.
Yeah, ma'am.
Horizontal line?
Yes, ma'am, horizontal.
No. It would not be the horizontal line. The third would be this one. Third would be this one. Fourth, this one. Okay. So how many line would exist? 1,
Ma'am, 4.
4. No, 5. 5 should exist. We are missing 1.
Yes, ma'am, 5.
They are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are only 4.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
This one is missing. 5. Now 5. Okay. So how many line of symmetry will exist in the pentagon? 5.
Ma'am, 5.
Okay. Rohit, are you getting or not? Ritvik Nimala?
Yes, ma'am, I'm understanding it.
Okay. Now draw the regular hexagon. Okay. Draw it in your notebook and tell me how many line of symmetry would exist for it. Regular hexagon. Draw the regular hexagon. All of you, please draw. And show me. Keep your video on and show it to me. I will ask you one by one. Yeah. Go ahead. On your video. Show me where did you draw this regular polygon? Hexagon. Yes. Okay. Rohit got disconnected. Ritvik Nimala. On your video.
Ma'am, my correct name, Shivapran.
Yes, you have Manu. Sure.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got disconnected.
Yes. Draw hexagon and Draw the line of symmetry in regular
Okay, ma'am, I'm
hexagon.
doing it.
Ma'am, 4 lines of symmetry, ma'am.
Yeah, show it. Show it.
Ma'am, 6.
No, no.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Shivaprana?
6. There would be 6 lines of symmetry.
Yeah, ma'am, 6.
Ritvik Nimala, where you did? Wait.
Ma'am, I think we can do the vertical.
Yes. Wait.
Yes, ma'am, I actually got disconnected. I'm doing it 1 minute.
Hmm. Six is correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rohit and Ritvik Nimala. Yes, Ritvik. How would you get the 6th line?
Ma'am, 4, ma'am. He said 4.
Yes. He said 4, but the total would be 6.
Ma'am, 6, yes, ma'am.
Rohit. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I'm drawing it.
Yes, yes. Tell me. Show me. Ritvik Nimala's one. Yeah. Total how many lines are there? Unmute, unmute.
Ma'am, 4.
No, no. There would exist 6 line. 6 number of lines.
Oh.
Rohit. Show me yours.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I got 6 lines.
Yes. Show me your figure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Ritvik Nimala.
Ma'am, go ahead.
Rohit. Yes. Okay. So regular polygon, regular hexagon will have how many sides? 6. 3 upside and 3 below this. Okay. This would be a regular hexagon. Now see from the center. Okay. If this is the center, from the center, you can draw. You can fold it either along this line. Okay. It will divide into 2 equal halves. Either along this line. It will also divide into same equal part. Either horizontal, you will get same equal part. Either vertical, same equal part. Okay. And either crossed one, you will get the same equal part. Or either you can fold it along this line. So there would exist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 line. Okay. Regular hexagon is having 6 sides and number of lines is also 6. So it means both are same. In regular polygon, the number of side and number of line of symmetry would be equal. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. Now we will do few questions. See. If I say, you must have seen the punching machine, right? Okay. What does it do? It do the hole. Okay. It do the hole in the paper. Okay. Now, if you are doing the you are keeping the single paper inside the punching machine, you will get the 2 hole. Okay, at a time it can do 2 hole. Now when you will fold it, you can see they both the hole will coincide to each other. Both the hole will be one on the other. Okay. Sure, Pranav?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So now I'm giving few example. Okay, from these number of holes, see the location of these number of holes and find the excess of symmetry. Find the excess of symmetry. Okay. So if the numbers of holes, this is a square sheet. Okay. And number of holes are on this side. Number of holes are on this side. Then how could it be possible? How did you fold it? How did you fold it? You fold it along this axis, vertical axis or horizontal axis? When you will fold it along the vertical axis, then only you will get the hole. When you will do the hole here, it would appear on both the sides. Clear? When you will fold it along the horizontal axis, you would see the hole over here. Okay. So for the existing hole, the line of symmetry would be, for these holes, the line of symmetry would be along vertical. Vertical. Okay. If you will fold along the vertical axis, you will get, after folding, you will get, you can see the half of the portion. Okay. And this punch will be here. Clear? And when you will just open it, you will get 2 punch opposite to each other. They would be opposite. Clear? So this would be the number of line of symmetry. Now in the second figure, what, where does it will lie?
Second one, we can't do it.
Yes, we can do it. We can do it. You can fold it along the diagonal. When you will fold it along the diagonal, this axis, then these 2 hole will coincide on each other. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. For the third figure.
Ma'am, horizontal.
Yes, horizontal. When you will fold it along this axis, they will coincide on each other. Okay, you can draw that exactly on the middle. Okay. This figure D.
Ma'am, I think same.
Horizontal. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, horizontal.
When you draw a horizontal line and you fold this paper, then these hole will coincide. They will cover each other. Okay. Now, yes. Now, Ritvik Nimala, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, E1, right?
Yes, even.
Um,
Ma'am,
How would you draw? No. Let them to tell. How would you draw the line of symmetry?
ma'am, from top. and from
Horizontal
side.
or vertical?
Ma'am, horizontal.
Yes. You can draw both.
Both.
You can draw both the line. When you will draw,
Horizontal
when
and
you will
vertical.
fold it horizontal, they will cover each other. Okay. When you will draw, fold it along the vertical axis, the hole will cover each other. Okay. So there would exist 2 line of symmetry. Now for this figure, F.
Ma'am, this one. Ma'am, horizontal and vertical, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't.
This
Ma'am,
one.
we can't do.
No, we can do it. If you fold it along this vertical axis, then these holes will cover
Ma'am,
They will-
middle one?
no, we are not considering the middle one. For middle one, we can't draw any line of symmetry. For the side one, we can draw a vertical line. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, so only one line of symmetry would exist. For this, Gohit,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, where should I draw the line so that the whole will, after folding in this paper, the whole will cover each other or whole will coincide to each other. Where to draw?
Ma'am, in the center, ma'am.
In the center,
And-
vertical or horizontal?
Ma'am, vertical.
Vertical. Yes. For this figure,
Ma'am, for that figure, it's horizontal and in the middle.
horizontal, right? Yes, right. And for the last figure,
Ma'am,
it is
can I show
already
please?
done. Yes.
Yeah.
I think this is done.
Yes, ma'am, it's done. First
Done,
only.
na? Yes. So you could see. Yes. Yes, the second question is that give the line of symmetry, find the other hole. Okay. Now you have to find out the other hole. If line of symmetry is given, this dash line is a line of symmetry, where this other hole would exist.
Ma'am,
Can
ma'am, beside of the line.
just opposite side, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Here. Now Gohit,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, where the second hole would exist?
Ma'am, in the center only, ma'am.
In the center
Ma'am,
here?
no.
No, wait.
Ma'am, one
Shiva
minute,
Pranav.
ma'am.
Shiva Pranav. Let him to think. Your turn is over now. I will ask you again. So wait for that. Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, after in the middle, there's already a line, right, ma'am? We have to draw a vertical line. in the middle.
No, we don't have to draw any line. We have to draw the other circle, other dot, other hole. So where would it exist if the line of symmetry
Ma'am,
is
in the left hand corner, ma'am. Left corner.
left corner or upper?
Upper left corner, ma'am.
Upper right one or upper left one? Here? Here?
Yes, ma'am.
No. If it would be here, then the line of symmetry would be this one. Gohit, the line of symmetry is given. This is not correct, Gohit. Think about it. When you will fold it, okay, you are having this paper, you fold it along this line. When you will fold it, wait. When you will fold it, you could see only this portion. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So your this hole will come here. Correct? So when you will fold it, your this hole, the given hole will appear here. Correct? So how could you say that this would appear here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So the position of the second hole would lie here. Okay. You see
Okay,
and you tell me with respect to the line of symmetry. You think the position of the other hole with respect to the line of symmetry. If the line of symmetry is this one, if I draw the line of symmetry, I have changed the line of symmetry, then this hole, when you fold it, when you will fold it, it will look like a triangle. Correct? So this hole will get will come here. Okay. So the other hole will exist here only. Okay. So the other hole will exist here. Got it? So it depends upon the number location of hole will depends upon the location of the line of symmetry. Clear, Gohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ritvik Nimala. Okay, so this other hole, where it would lie? Ritvik Nimala.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Yes, ma'am.
So where does this other hole would lie?
Ma'am, ma'am, in the bottom, ma'am. Same place in the bottom.
Bottom.
Ma'am, there's one over there, so in bottom there will be two.
Bottom here. Here or here?
No, ma'am,
Bottom
up.
left side or bottom right side?
No, ma'am, up there, same parallel to it, it will be beside it, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Here. This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Go ahead. This is correct or not?
Ma'am, I think it's correct.
Yes. Now Shiva Pranav, where would you get the other hole?
Ma'am is up beside, ma'am, beside. Yes,
This one?
ma'am, yes, ma'am, this. Yes,
This
ma'am.
one or this one?
Ma'am, up, ma'am, you saw first one, no, ma'am, that's one.
First
That's one only.
Yes. Now Rohit, this one. Rohit,
Ma'am,
just opposite.
ma'am, the opposite side of the
Just
hole.
opposite side of line of symmetry.
Yes, ma'am.
Just the opposite side of
No,
line
ma'am,
of-
no, ma'am, down. Yes, ma'am.
Here only. Now
Yes,
fold
ma'am.
it.
Yes, ma'am. I thought you were keeping it down.
Now we will see the type of symmetry. Okay. There exists two type of symmetry. First one is reflection type, and the other one is rotational symmetry. Okay, reflection type and rotational type. The symmetry which we have discussed so far was a reflection type symmetry. Okay, the symmetry which we have discussed so far was the reflection type of symmetry. Why it was reflection? Because we for that figure, when we were putting the mirror on the line of symmetry, we could see the exact same half on the mirror. Okay, that's why it is a reflection type of symmetry. Okay, if you will see, if I take this shape, if this is the line of symmetry, if you put the mirror here, on the line of symmetry, you could see the same exact half would appear, shape would appear on the mirror. Clear? So this is a reflection symmetry. This is a reflection symmetry. The reflection will come on the mirror. The same reflection would be seen on the mirror. Now see, folding line, or you can see there would be many names for this line. You can say line of symmetry, or you can say folding line, or you can say mirror line. Okay, they all name are same. They all give the same meaning. Clear? Now we could see. So these are few figures. Could you tell me that if I draw the other half, how will you draw the other half? Or how will you draw the mirror image, or how would you draw the reflective image of the same image? Yes. And after drawing the reflective image, it would be of what shape?
Ma'am, first one square.
Yes. See, if this is a mirror line, okay, and the same in this mirror line, the same shape will appear. Okay, so draw the same shape of this one. Okay, so this is a square. Clear? Now draw the other half of this portion.
Ma'am, triangle.
Triangle. Yes, two. You told me two. Now next to Ritvik Nimala. Next to Gohit. Okay. Ritvik
Okay.
Nimala.
Yes, ma'am. These two, right, ma'am?
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. It would be same.
It would be same. Draw the same figure. Okay. So it would look like of similar to which shape?
Ma'am, like a kite.
Kite or
Ma'am,
they all
diamonds.
are looking same. It seems they all are same. Okay. They are a kite, but a special kind of kite. They all are same. If all sides of kites are same, it would be a rhombus. Okay, this would be a rhombus.
Okay, ma'am.
Now draw the other half of this figure.
Ma'am, it's also same a circle.
Circle. Okay. Now Gohit,
Yes, ma'am.
draw the other half of this. You also have to try on your notebook. Okay. All of you, please draw it.
Ma'am, this is a pentagon or something.
Yes. Not pentagon or something. It would be exactly pentagon only. Okay. Try to draw the same. You would get pentagon.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am. And the other one is gonna become a hexagon.
Hexagon. Clear? 6 side. Now, yes. If any figure or any shape is having more than one line of symmetry, then the figure are said to be have multiple line of symmetry. Okay, you could see in this first rectangle, 2 line of symmetry exist. In square, how many line of symmetry would exist?
Ma'am, 2.
4. There are 4 in a square. Okay, in this shape, how many line of symmetries are there?
Ma'am, 4.
1, 2, 3. Only 3. Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3. Only 3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Now see, there are some figure. You have to draw the line of symmetry. How would you draw the line of symmetry for this figure? Tell me.
Ma'am, vertical,
Vertical,
horizontal.
not horizontal. Actually, horizontal, they would not be the same.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Cross.
Cross one. Cross
Ma'am,
one.
one more cross.
And another cross. Yes. Okay, if I draw the horizontal line, this will not divide into the same part. Okay, so this will not present. Okay, so how many line of symmetry can be drawn for this figure?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Yes, Ritvik Nimala, for this figure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 1.
Vertical or horizontal?
Ma'am, horizontal.
If you
Ma'am,
draw
vertical also it is possible, but
yes, vertical also it is possible. But what is but?
nothing much. Ma'am, I thought like only once, but we can do it.
There would exist 2 line of symmetry. Gohit, for this figure.
Yes, ma'am.
Horizontal, vertical, or crossed one. Tell me.
Ma'am, I think it's gonna be vertical.
If you draw the vertical, are they equal? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And other than this?
Ma'am, it won't be equal if we draw horizontal.
Yes, clear. And crossed one?
Ma'am, crossed also, I don't think it's gonna. Yes, ma'am, it's not gonna be equal.
Ma'am, it can be.
It will be, ma'am. Sorry.
It will
actually.
be equal. It is going to be equal. And one more. Rohit,
Yes, ma'am.
there could exist one more or not?
No, ma'am.
You can think the other cross one. This one.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
If
I
you-
got one doubt, ma'am. Shiva Pranav.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, for star, how many lines, ma'am? Symmetry?
First star.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Okay. If
Yes,
star
ma'am.
is having 6 triangle, it is a 6 triangle star, then 6 symmetrical line would exist. I can show you. Wait. Yes. If this is a star, okay. I have not made the symmetrical one. Yes. 3 is above, 3 is below. If this is like this, below this there is a triangle, and here and just opposite to that there is a triangle, and I'm not able to draw this. Wait. Wait.
Ma'am, you can copy from the Google.
Yes. I think I have taken the star. Wait, let me to check.
No, ma'am.
No, okay, I am taking from this Google. Wait. So, yeah. Gohit, you could remember that there is a one trick. If any triangle
Yes,
would
ma'am.
exist, if there is any triangle, if there is any equilateral triangle, there would exist 3 lines. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
here you could see there is a triangle, 3 line would exist. Here you could see this is a kind of a triangle. Okay, so 3 line would exist. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay. Now, the star. I'll take the star shape. Wait. Yes. Sure, Pranav. You could see
Yes, ma'am.
this is a star. Okay. So there would exist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Ma'am, 5 only, no, ma'am. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4,
1,
5.
2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, yeah, actually you can remember this trick that if a star is having 5 points, there would exist 5 line. If a star is having 6 points, 6-point star, then there would exist 6 line. If a star is having 7 points, there would exist 7 line. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
See, if a pentagon, in pentagon, we have seen there were 5 lines. So there would exist 5 line of symmetry. Okay. If a star is a symmetrical, star is a regular star, all sides and all angles are equal, then the line of symmetry would be equal to the number of triangle in a star or number of point in a star. Or what you call exact this portion? What do you call this portion? Triangle only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Or you can say that points. The corners of the star. Okay, if it is a 7 corner star, then there would exist 7 line of symmetry. Okay, now yes, for this figure, draw it, and all of you please tell me how many lines of symmetry would exist for this figure?
Ma'am, 2, ma'am, 2.
2.
Yes, ma'am.
Horizontal and vertical?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, not horizontal and vertical. Ma'am, cross.
Crossed one. Yes. Only the crossed one.
Yes.
Clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. This one.
Ma'am, this is also 2. Sorry, 4.
Horizontal, vertical, horizontal, and crossed. 4. Yes. For this figure,
Ma'am, 1.
1.
is vertical, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Horizontal, no. Only one line of symmetry. This figure,
4.
Ma'am, 2.
2. Sorry. 2.
1,
2.
2, 3, 4. Wherever you see any square or any triangle, for square 4 line of symmetry would exist. For triangle 3 line of symmetry would exist. Since there is a square, 4 line would be possible. Okay, 4 line is possible. So 4 line of symmetry. For these kind of figures, for these kind of figure, yes, you can count the number of petals. You can count the number of petals. Okay, how many number of petals are existing?
6.
6. So number of lines would be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Wherever you see the petal, this petal design, okay, this petal design, okay, if I say how many lines of symmetry would exist?
Ma'am, 4, ma'am, 4.
4. Okay, so the line of symmetry would be equal to the number of petals. Okay, now see, done. Everything is done. Now, yes. Now tell me this figure. Read this question first. Yes, go ahead. Read this question.
Ma'am, take any one diagonal as a line of symmetry and shade a few more squares to make the figure symmetric about a diagonal. Is there more than one way to do that? Will the figure be symmetric about both diagonals?
Or not. Okay. So first of all, tell me, how would you draw the diagonal of this square? The diagonal would be
Ma'am, cross.
one. Okay. Now tell me, how many square could be painted so that it would look symmetrical?
Ma'am, 4. 4.
4. Which one?
Ma'am, first one, right side.
See, the just opposite the given black painted square. Okay, you can take the just opposite of that painted square. Okay, so that symmetry would exist. Okay. Now you could see, yes, if you fold it, since this is a painted, okay, this is not a painted. So if you paint this one also, if you paint this square, they will look symmetrical. They would look symmetrical. Go ahead. Am I correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So just paint the opposite side of black painted square. Okay. If which one is the opposite side of opposite square of this side? This square.
Ma'am, opposite one, ma'am, right side one.
This one. That's clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
This one. So you can paint you can paint this square so that they will look symmetrical. Okay. Now, what is the opposite of this square? Opposite square of this square? Along, see only along the diagonal. Okay. Opposite of this square would be this one. So you can paint this square. They will look symmetrical. Okay. Now, the fourth one. Which one is the opposite of this black square? This one. Okay. So you can paint this square. Now, after painting this 4 square, this figure will look like a symmetrical figure. Okay. Now you can see this figure is looking symmetrical or not? Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
When you will fold it along this diagonal, the exactly the black and blue one cover each other. Exactly the black and blue one will come one after the other. They will coincide. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Okay. So this is the result. Okay. Now see. In the next question, what is given? Yes. Who will read the question? Ritvik Nimala, read this question.
Yes, ma'am. Copy the diagram and complete each shape to be symmetrical about the mirror.
So draw the same shape of this.
Ma'am, same shape. We should do the
Mirror.
down, ma'am. Opposite down.
Yes, yes. So for that, you draw it very carefully. See where to draw. Actually, the opposite to this line. Okay, line to line. Try to draw it line to line. The opposite of this line. So this line is coming in 2 square. So draw it in 2 square. Okay. After that, there is a curve. 90 degree. There is a perpendicular line. Okay, and this perpendicular line is coming in 2 square. So draw a perpendicular line which is coming in 2 square. Correct? Now similarly, draw this line. So how would you draw this line? Like this. Okay, opposite line. Now after this line, you have to go straight. You have to go straight for 2 square. In 2 square, you have to go straight. Okay, I got the corner. There is also a corner. After that corner, there is a perpendicular line. A perpendicular line in 2 squares. So draw a perpendicular line in 2 squares. So this would be the exact mirror shape of the given shape. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, how would you draw the mirror image of this line? This is the mirror image.
Ma'am, same, ma'am. Ma'am, we should draw 1 square.
Yes.
2 square.
Like this. Similarly for this. Similarly for this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
When you will draw it now, when you would practice it, you will get the exact thing. Now this one, draw the symmetrical figure about these 2 axes. See, this is little bit curved. Okay, so you draw exactly 4 shape of the same given shape. Okay, so you in this way you can draw the full figure. Now state the number of line of symmetry for the following figure. Yes, tell me one by one. Ritvik Nimala, for equilateral triangle, how many number of symmetry? How many number of lines of symmetry?
Ma'am, can you scroll something?
No. That would that is the solution.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in an equilateral triangle.
How many line would exist?
Ma'am, Shiva Prana put the answer.
I have told you many times. Go ahead. Yes,
Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
How many lines of symmetry would exist in equilateral triangle?
Ma'am.
I have told you many times.
Ma'am, can I Shiva Pranav?
No. If you could count it, I have told you 100 times that in equilateral triangle,
I'm 3.
3 lines of symmetry would exist. 3. Yes. Isoscale triangle. Yes, Shiva Pranav, tell me. In
Ma'am, one.
isoscale. Yeah. What is isoscale triangle, Ritvik Nimala?
Ma'am, when all three sides are equal.
No. That is equilateral.
Ma'am, when all
Isoscale.
two sides are equal, two sides.
2 sides are equal. Okay, if these 2 sides are equal, how many lines of symmetry can be drawn? Yes, correct. Shiva, correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Only one line can be drawn. Okay, only one line will be drawn. This line could not be drawn since this length and this length is not equal. This length and this length are not equal. Okay, so they will not cover each other. So this line will not exist in the isoscale triangle. So only one line of symmetry would exist in isoscale triangle. In equilateral triangle, 3 lines of symmetry. In isoscale, only one line. And in scalene triangle, if this is a scalene triangle is the triangle. Yeah, go ahead, tell me. What is a scalene triangle?
Scalene triangle means like none of the sides are equal.
None of the sides and none of the angles are equal. Okay. So how many symmetrical line could be drawn? If this
Ma'am,
is
and
a
how many lines can be drawn in a scalene
yes,
triangle, right?
yes.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ritu
Ma'am, I
Nimala,
think in that also it's 3 only.
how? If you will draw, if you will fold it along this line, are they equal? Are they equal? Are these two
No,
parts
ma'am.
are equal? No.
No, ma'am.
So this will not exist. Then you draw first a scalene triangle and then try to fold it. That's why I have told you, take a paper and cut the paper in shape of a scalene triangle and try to fold it into 2 exactly half. Are you able to do that? Then only the line of symmetry would exist. Clear? Ritvik Nimala. Ritvik Nimala.
Ma'am, did my answer is correct, ma'am? Shiva
Yes,
Pranav?
correct. Ritvik Nimala, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, on your video. On your video, take one paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Take one paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me paper. Yes. This is a rectangle or a square?
Ma'am, this one?
Hmm.
Ma'am, this is a two.
No,
Ma'am?
no. The paper that you are having along with you, that
Oh, ma'am, this is a rectangle.
rectangle. Yeah. Show it. Show it.
Ma'am, I know this, ma'am. I can do this one.
Yes. Now fold it.
Ma'am, like the rectangle is formed of two.
Triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That is okay. But when there is a rectangle shape, how many lines of symmetry would exist? You tell me.
Ma'am, two.
Folding it. You explain it by folding this paper.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, one.
Yes.
Ma'am, two.
2. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. That's all.
How much?
Ma'am, 2.
Yes. Okay. Similarly, you have to cut your paper in form of a scale and triangle and then try to fold it.
Ma'am, I
Anyway,
didn't.
yes.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
You draw this scale and triangle on your paper.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now cut it.
Ma'am, ma'am, should I like using scissors?
Yes, scissor, cut it.
Yes.
Rohit, you also do it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I actually don't have a completely good paper.
On your video, draw it on a paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Now try to fold it.
Ma'am, I think I have to go outside, ma'am. Can I go?
Yes, you can go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So did you get the exact 2 half?
Yes, ma'am.
No, no. It means you have not made the correct triangle. Isosceles triangle cannot be folded. Cannot be folded. Or if you will fold it, you will not get the exact half, 2 half. So try to make it again. Maybe you have drawn the isoscale triangle. Or the, yes, you have made the isosceles triangle. Okay. So how many ways you can fold it?
Ma'am, isosceles you can fold it in one. Scale in 0, ma'am.
Yes. So isosceles triangle number of symmetry would be
Ma
1.
Yes, ma'am. I made it correct only, ma'am. I just flipped it sideways and folded.
Okay. So that is the correct. That is the isosceles triangle, right?
Yes.
For scale triangle, you will not get any line of symmetry. There would exist 0 line of symmetry. Clear?
Okay.
So in the after this class, you draw scale and triangle, isoscale triangle, and equilateral triangle. Cut it, and after that try to fold it. Then
Okay.
only you will get how many lines of symmetry would exist for each and every triangle. Clear? Clear? Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I think time is over. You may go. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.